Hello! In this video I'm going to make a fishnet top, and for this crochet top I'm going to use this cotton yarn, 24/7 cotton yarn. This is medium yarn, and I'm going to use 7mm crochet hook. To start with this project, I'm going to make 77 chains. For the first row, single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 5, skip 4 chains, single crochet in the next, chain 5, skip 4 chains and single crochet, and this is the pattern for the first row. I finish first row with single crochet in the last stitch. For row 2, chain 3. Chain 3 is like double crochet, and we make chain 2, turn, and chain 2 is actually like half of this chain 5 space, and we make single crochet in the first 5 chain space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5. So this is easy. We are gonna continue like this until we finish this row. So this is the pattern, chain 5 and single crochet in chain 5 space. To finish this row, I made 5 chains, single crochet in the last 5 chain space, chain 2, and double crochet in the last single crochet stitch. It's like this, and we will continue to repeat these two rows. So for the row 3, chain 1, turn, single crochet in the first stitch, chain 5, and we skip this, single crochet in this chain 5 space. So it will look like this. So third row is same like first row, chain 5, So this is gonna be our front or back panel. We are gonna make two the same one, and I will continue with this pattern until I reach the desired length of the I made 37 rows, and I made two same panels, one for front and one for back for the top, for the crochet top. And now I'm going to sew these two pieces here for the arm, and I leave for neck opening here, and also I will crochet together the other side. And the technique I'm gonna make, here I have the first panel, and I will chain 3. I have another panel here. I put it in the same way, both of them, and insert the hook in this first stitch, make single crochet. I'm gonna put it this way, like this, to see better. We put together the first front and back panel with 3 chains and single crochet. Now chain 3, so we go back, and we have first chain 5 space, so we make single crochet there, chain 3, we go to other side, to the other panel we have here, so we make single crochet in chain 5 space, chain 3, single crochet in the second, chain 3, sorry, here is the second chain 5 space, we make single crochet, chain 3, here is the third, chain 3, we go here, is the fourth chain 5 space, chain 3, single crochet, and as you can see, this is the pattern, chain 3, on here, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. So this is for the arm, this is finished, and we are going to do the same on this other side to put together. So just chain 1 and cut the yarn. I put together both sides for the neck opening, and now I'm going to start the sleeve. So I turn it sideways. I put stitch markers. You just measure how wide you need your sleeve should be, and I'm going to start here. I'm gonna make a single crochet, chain 5. I skip this and I put single crochet here, chain 5, skip this one and single crochet. And continue until you reach the other side. Okay, I finished this first row of the sleeve, and for the next row we will continue the same way like before. So now I'm gonna make 5 chains, turn, and single crochet in the first 5 chain space, chain 5, and continue like this until you reach desired length of your sleeve. I made 32 rows for sleeves. I made 2 of them on both sides, and now I will put together the side of the top here, and also for the sleeve like this, and I'm going to do it like this. I finished the row here, and I keep my yarn, and I'm gonna attach the yarn here on the other side. I'm gonna make slip knot, slip stitch. I make chain 1, and I will put together, sorry for the noise from the outside, I'm gonna put it together like this, slip stitch, chain 1, and now I have this row, so I put it together, slip stitch, chain 1. Don't pull it too tight. So now I'm gonna do this, see this one, slip stitch, chain 1 here, slip stitch, chain 1 in here, slip stitch, chain 1, So just continue like this until you finish all the seams until the end of one side, and do the same on the other side, and I will see you after. I crochet together both sides of the top with the sleeve and the side, one side and another side also. And now I have still my yarn attached. I didn't cut it from one side, and I'm going to put one single crochet around the bottom of the top. So here where I finished one side, I put one single crochet, and I'm going to do 4 single crochet in chain 4 and 1 single crochet in single crochet, and I'm going to do it all around. I made 2 rows of single crochet at the bottom of the top, and I also made 1 row of single crochet around both sleeves. This is how I finished the top. You can also put 1 single crochet around the neck if you like, and I hope you had fun to crochet this top. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.